Ho, ho, ho! Christmas season has begun. Welcome to Da Nang. Today we're gonna go and have a little stroll through the Furama Resort Da Nang. And they have this beautiful Christmas decoration already up. Okay. And look at this here too. So this is the main entrance here. Furama Resort, and I think they have a convention center to the right side, but I'm gonna go and check out the lobby area and gonna continue my way to the beach. So I think this is the convention center. I've been here once. Looks pretty nice. Drop off. All right, let's walk here. Looks very nice here, the entrance. I think this is a very classic hotel. Gotta ask how old this is too. They have a tennis court over there, people playing tennis over there already. And if I'm not wrong, there could be even a casino here. I'm not sure how I can film that, but I think there should be something. There's a wedding center, convention, the courts. Maybe it's another hotel. I know somewhere there should be a casino. I didn't even know that gambling is legal here. But few resorts actually have casinos. Very classic here. Club 66. So what is that? That looks like a games room, kids club. Interesting. Furama Club 99. I think this could be, hello. This could be the casino. So they have some stores over here, and that looks like the casino. Only playable in Vietnam. All right, interesting. This is the main entrance here. Hello. Hi. Oh wow, look at this. What a beautiful Christmas tree. I think this is the biggest one I've seen now. They're taking very serious. They're taking Christmas very serious here. Very nice. Oh my God, no way. There are wild animals here. What? No. No. Look at this. No way. Okay, I'm gonna go very slow. I'm a little bit scared though. There are wild animals here. What is this? Please comment below what the name of those birds are. I think they have this nice tails, right? No way. This is, what kind of resort is that? What? No way. This is phenomenal. And now we are already at the pool, I think. Wow. I'm feeling like in a safari here. It's actually huge. Huge, classy, clean. I didn't even know this Furama resort is the third resort in when you go out of Da Nang towards Hoi An. It's the number 3. So I think the first one is Primi Village, then Pullman, and then Furama. So we are here at the Furama right now. It looks very nice. The beach also looks very nice. Look at this. It's huge. And those birds is very interesting. Look at this. The pool. I think it's also a double infinity pool. It's very nice. Very zen. Look at this beautiful beach area here. They have a proper wide beach here. This is just I don't know, 10 minutes walk from the Antung area, and then you're here at this paradise. Look at this nice infinity pool. It's very interesting. And the white sand beach. This is crazy, look at this. What a hidden spot. I never had it on my radar here. You can have paddleboarding and you have also kayaks. This is amazing, look at this. Huge beach area. Hello. Water sports. You have all kinds of water sports here as well. And you have even a soccer net over there. Gonna take this stairs now. Here are the showers. It's not the best weather today, but it's still warm and nice. But this whole thing here gives me a safari feeling. Super cool, especially with these birds. What is this? Look at this Zen place. They have kois here. Look at these huge fishes. That's crazy. I already heard this is like a very classy hotel here, but very interesting. I think I'm gonna walk. Yeah, I'm gonna walk towards here. Let's check this out one. I think this is a coffee shop. Look at this, so many. There's jungle here. The coffee shop over here. Look at this. Interesting. Very interesting. What is this here? Lagoon bar. Oh wow, what? I'm gonna explore this afterwards. Tire House Wellness Dining Home. What? Okay. I'm gonna take a detour here. And then Cafe Indochina. Nice. Hello. Now we have the birds here again. This is very interesting. Oh, there's a white one. Oh, they get fed here. This is amazing. So I think the restaurant is on the left side. Okay, let's continue exploring. So this is the Haiwan Lounge. Haiwan because of Haiwan is the Haiwan Pass between Da Nang and Hue. Those donuts look very good, but I have to stay away from the donuts. The belly is getting bigger. You gotta do more walking, less donuts. But look at this, how classy. Time. Piano. No. Super nice, and you have actually ocean view from here. Those sofas look very comfortable. Okay guys, let's explore this jungle here. It looks so green and nice. And there is a pool down there. This is insane. This is, if you're into nature, I think this is the #1 spot. And I already see a beautiful pool. And there's a very, very interesting restaurant down there. Restaurant with a big history. So what I heard upstairs, this restaurant flew in from Sapa. It's an old Vietnamese original restaurant. The whole, everything, the whole restaurant was flown in and built together here. And this is a vegan restaurant, a mushroom hot pot. Look at this. Look at how that looks here. This is the original Sapa house. crazy. Entire house. Hello. So if you're into Vietnamese culture and history, this whole hotel is just on another level. I'm actually working on making a video on my main channel about this whole place because it has so much history and culture. It's crazy. So I think I could walk probably here for 2-3 hours, but I will show you a little bit here and then I'm gonna come back and give you a better tour as soon as I'm talking to some people. But this is the pool here. Crazy, right? All right. There's also a spa, which is right here. Okay, guys. This is the spa, I think. Yeah, look at this. This is the spa. This is what we saw before. Okay, now we are out again. This looks amazing. Look at this beautiful, especially when the sun comes out now. Come on. How can I not know about this place before? So this is a restaurant here. It's called Don Cipriani's. Look at this, how it looks here. So this is an Indochina coffee, I think. So this is an Italian restaurant. Let's take a little look. Wow, look at how classy it looks. Hello. Hello, xin chào. Wow. What a beautiful Italian restaurant. And it's not even that expensive for such a old and classy place. It's like a, wow, beautiful. Today actually the beach is pretty good. It's amazing. Guys, I'm gonna work a lot on this case here. I'm gonna contact with the hotel and gonna make a good video on that soon. So hop over to my main channel and please subscribe there. I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna make a very good video about this. And look at these peacocks. So this is the man in charge. Xin chào. They're living also on this whole area, but they're getting fed here. And yeah, what a great hotel here. Resort. I'm gonna go out now. This is the big Christmas tree from behind. Xin chào. A huge Christmas tree. Xin chào. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also check the first link in my description. I'm gonna put there my main channel because I'm gonna work on a video on this one, and it's gonna be a very good one. Gonna be history semi on display. Look at this, they have even luxury shuttles here. Ooh. Huh. Very interesting.